Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to stop when your Windows PC update is in progress. So for this guys, you can try this easy and simple method. So first you need to forcefully shut on your Windows PC. Just press and hold the power button from your PC. It will shut down your PC and turn it on. Okay, after turning on, you can try this method. Hold Windows key button and then press R, and here you need to search services.msc and then click on OK. It will open services menu on your PC, and here you need to search Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update, go to properties and extend the startup type. From here you need to select disable, or here you can get the option to stop. Just click on stop button and then click on apply and OK. Now your Windows Update progress is stopped on your PC. In future, when you want to start this, you want to pause this, just you need to open the services menu, right click on it and click on start from here. Okay, and it will pause your Windows Update. So this is the first method. Second method is this guys. From the settings menu, you can also able to pause your Windows Update progress. Open this Windows settings like this. In the Windows settings, from the left panel, here you can get the option Windows Update. Just click and open it, and here you can get the option pause update. Just extend this menu. From here you can get the option to pause for 1 week, 2 week, 4 week or 5 week. Just select suitable option from here and it will pause that Windows Update. As you can see guys, when you want to resume it, just click on resume update. That's it. Okay, now it will resume your Windows Update, as you can see. Okay, so that's what guys, is a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.